up inside market.
What? What?
This is the kind of thing I used to do.
Can you there?
Mother, I just walk like I walk for you. Just say, like just like that.
But you dey heartless, so.
As how?
You work for me. Which kind work you work for me? Even food where you dey eat, we no fit pay me.
Mama, I just dey look you.
Say wetin happen?
I just dey look you.
Abeg dey right for here. Why you come dey borrow for my store? Say wetin happen?
You must give me 100 naira.
Which 100 naira? Which work?
I no work.
Food wey you eat, you fit pay me. You fit pay me.
I said me.
That make person no dey do good for all those poor people.
Mama.
You don't understand. How you dey, my boy?
Good afternoon, ma.
I hear you.
Good afternoon, ma.
How you dey?
What be the problem here now?
Don't mind am o. This guy when I just try to dey help, he just come say I dey hold am 100 naira.
Yeah.
Except I give am 100 naira.
100
Not to talk of the food wey they eat for my store here o.
100 naira.
You understand?
Yes.
That make dem no dey help all
Mama, it's
those.
okay, mama. Carry. Take your 100 naira.
Give me just how they do like all those Yahoo boy. Now 100 naira they give person.
Babe, calm down. Try be like your boy because of 100 naira. I just dey insult mama and go.
As he good as I will work, you not pay me 100 naira. Now this 100 naira be the last work when I get.
Come on,
Go where?
Come on.
Be like all those. I some of those girls when they carry go do human trafficking.
God, this girl. Don't worry, let's go.
Why is it that ritual?
Let's go. Don't worry. Let me.
Where they go now?
Babe.
Okay, that day we off with this. Ritual, you can't go do that.
I don't think so.
See, I can manage this 100 naira. Every evening now, this 100 naira.
Can I take you off your evening meal?
Now just manage you. Now you manage you.
Come, let's go. You talk too much.
Nobody hold me safe. I just want to kill.
Sorry.
You stay front. Oh, who does that? That guy is so funny. Just forget about me. Oh God.
Wait, babe, before I forget, I saw your guy with one butch girl. Babe, that guy is cheating on you.
How do you know that?
Because I saw him with my 2 eyes. Babe, come to think of it. He hasn't even called you for days. Look, I know you don't call me. Does not mean you don't care about me, or does not mean you don't love me. It's just that he's busy with his work. Work? Yes, and I'm fine with that. Fine with that? And babe? Busy with his work that he can't even call his babe. I even had the guy still with him. Hell no. He won't even try that. Come and see for yourself. Sit down here saying that he can't even cheat on you. Come and see for yourself, babe. That guy is playing around.
No, I don't believe that.
Let's look for a day. Come and see for yourself. That guy is a cheat. Let's look for a day. Let's go and visit him. Babe, please. Alright, it's fine.
Once more, you're welcome to my house.
God, thank you now. That's why they welcome me.
So what will I offer you?
Offer. You know they offer me since, offer me since. I mean, you offer me give God.
I mean like drink, wine.
You want wine me? I just stay cool. Just leave me like this.
Sorry, let me take this call.
Okay.
Hello, babe. Yeah, I'm at home. Okay, no problem. Yeah, bye. Peter! Paul!
Oga.
Peter!
Oga.
Yeah, you can sit down.
Oga, try to sit down. It's not Christmas.
Paul,
Oga, sir.
go and cook something. Bella is coming.
Okay. Oga, should I cook love?
Go and cook food.
Okay. Oga, which food?
My friend, food.
Food.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Oga, which one you want to do now?
Go and wait for her at the gate.
Now.
Yes.
Okay.
My friend, now!
Okay, Oga.
Peter!
Oga.
Go and put on the gen.
Oga. Which one I do? Carry Magdam come or the gen?
Go and put on the gen.
Okay, like now.
Now.
Okay, Oga.
Look at what she's doing.
Guess what?
This is wonderful.
So you know you're gonna get work, go back on this nonsense.
No, it's YouTube now. YouTube internet, yeah.
Hello, baby.
Oh, look at my baby. You're welcome. The both of you should get out from here, my friend.
Oga, where they go?
Get out!
Bella, I told you these guys be shitting around. Bella, ask again, who is she?
It's okay. She's a friend of mine that I met today.
This guy is a shit. Baby, you need to believe me. He's a shit. Believe me. Baby, you brought in this bush girl into the house. What? What nonsense?
What?
What? Come.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now me, you slap.
Joy, it's
And
okay.
I will slap you again. I will clap for your face.
It's okay.
This
It's
girl
okay.
is
It's okay.
crazy.
It's okay.
She's
It's
just
okay.
crazy.
It's
She's
just
crazy.
it's
You
okay.
need to sit down one place. We're not going to the country. Not trying you.
Mad girl, she's
This
crazy.
is
I think so.
okay.
She's crazy.
It's okay.
She's mad. Stop it, now.
It's okay, leave her.
Don't touch
I don't
her!
like this in my house. I don't allow this.
I don't let one control you. Baby, can you see this?
Leave
Are you
her.
shut up? You say talk, baby. Hey, baby.
Leave
Say I be like
her.
dumb
Leave her
baby.
alone.
Get
Joy.
your
Like she's a mad girl.
Leave. Baby, please.
Oh,
Don't
so
boyfriend
sorry.
Snapchat.
Don't
baby.
you are
Don't
shitting
touch
around.
her.
So mad girl. You are crazy because boyfriend Snapchat.
I'm sorry.
You can't get Bella, eh? I'm out of here.
I'm sorry.
I'm
Baby,
out of you. Excuse me.
Baby.
Mad girl, she's crazy. Bella, where
Let me
from
talk to
me?
your friend, please. What have I done this night? Oh God. That really it wasn't intentional. It wasn't intentional.
What have I done to deserve this? Now I think I've found the one I love. The one I can settle with. But everything is just wrong. Because of that thing, because of that bush girl. Jesus. He even threw me out of his house. And I've been trying his number. But he don't like speaking in school. Or should I go and beg him? I won't do that. If he really loves me, he will come look for me. But if he don't,
this guy self now. Don't give him work. You go just where you go? They give him work. We not. Okay, now sleep in the sleep. We this self and one die. Come on, stand up.
Ah, God. Why you waking me if you see the kind dream I used to dream?
Dream, kill you there. Would this have someone kill us for side farm? You there? They telling me say you the dream.
You know the kind of trick I would do.
Shut up your mouth every day night. They dream master. Joseph the dreamer. As I see you there, you stand up. They go continue our work. One kill us with all. Stand up here before I go. Where can they go? Stand up, more they go.
They come now.
No. Stand up, please. Stand up. No waste my time. No waste my time at all. I don't get time for this thing before I come out. You go to sleep again. Why can't one kill us with work for yourself, fam? The dreamer.
Don't touch me,
come on for here. Waka.
They respect me at all.
Every day night they dream.
No, but they respect
Dreamer
woman.
Dream lord.
You know, my face is tired.
Shut up.